Hello, Killeen. I'm Janelle Ford, and we welcome you to this episode of Good News Killeen. We kick it off with a friendly wager between the boots and the badges. The annual Battle of the Badges is Thursday, August 24th, and we invite residents to not only come donate blood, but to help us settle this epic tie by voting for their favorite department. Is it the police department or the fire department? We're partnering with Carter Blood Care, and each department has 2 wins. This year is a critical tiebreaker. Come to the KISD Pratt Learning and Leadership Center at 505 East Jasper Road between 8 and 3 to donate. Residents are encouraged to register by scanning the QR code on your screen or visiting KilleenTexas.gov/calendar, where you will see this event. Last year, we saw the number of donors nearly double, bringing in nearly 100 units of blood and saving nearly 300 lives. The department who loses must wash the vehicles of those who win. It's always a good sight to see. Speaking of battles, we are ready for all the competition the fall season brings us, and we're celebrating it through our 2nd annual Touchdown and Downtown event. On Saturday, September 9th, we'll be celebrating the beginning of football season while also kicking off year 2 of our Killeen 2040 comprehensive plan. We'll have a superfan contest, high school band and drumline performances, live music, food trucks, and more. We'll even have free Killeen 2040 giveaways to celebrate the home team. It's all in historic downtown from 6 to 9 at night, so we hope you'll join us. Now that school is back in session, most of our lifeguards are back in the classroom. So the hours at our Family Aquatic Center water park and the Long Branch Park pool have changed. The Family Aquatic Center is now only open on weekends through Labor Day, Monday, September 4th. And Long Branch Pool may have closed its full-time hours on August 6th, but it reopens on Friday, September 8th, every weekend through Sunday, October 1st. That's every Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And of course, our spray pad at Long Branch Park is open daily through Labor Day from 8:30 a.m. until 8 p.m. Visit KilleenTexas.gov/swim for all hours and frequently asked questions. And a quick thank you to everyone who was able to participate in our annual Back to School Splash Bash. It was another hit. We provided 100 students with school supplies to help kickstart their school year. Always fun times. And even though students are back in school, it doesn't stop all of our wonderful library programs. There may just be a few changes in the hours though. Make sure you check out the adult and teen makerspace events, children's and baby block parties with Legos, genealogy help, sewing for adults and teens, children's mini maker mornings and crafternoons, and even kids yoga. Visit KilleenTexas.gov/libraries for more information on events at both the Main and Copper Mountain Branch libraries. Did you know Killeen was a Purple Heart city? We received the designation in 2014, and each year on August 7th, we commemorate Purple Heart Day as well. Mayor Debbie Nash Keene recently presented a proclamation to the Syntax Chapter 1876 and the commander of the Department of Texas Military Order of the Purple Heart. We honor the soldiers who were wounded or killed in action in the United States Armed Forces and receive the most prestigious symbol of a soldier's willingness to give everything to protect our country. 2 things before we wrap up. First, we were excited to offer free pet vaccines in our drive-through clinic on August 12th, and both our furry friends and their owners were very appreciative. We hope to do this more often. And if you don't want to miss out on events like that one anymore, get your phones out and take a look at your screen. Simply scan either of these 3 QR codes and you can view the calendar of events, find out who your city council representative is, and even view the city council agenda and watch live streams and archive videos of our council meetings. Other ways to view more details on events, programs, and happenings around town, you can simply visit our city's website, KilleenTexas.gov, and follow us on all of our social media platforms. Enjoy your week.